Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering your raw art and the tools to convert it. Open your image editor, resize each sticker to 512 by 512 pixels, and remove the background so it's transparent. This ensures clean edges in chats. Save as PNG or export directly to WebP if your tool supports it. Once done, verify each file stays under 100 KB and collect a minimum of 3 images. That's the core prerequisite. Now you're ready to assemble a pack. Next, you assemble the pack inside a Sticker Maker app or your own pack script. Create a new pack, give it a clear name and author tag, then add your prepared images in the order you want them to appear. Make a 96 by 96 pixel tray icon so WhatsApp displays the pack neatly. Add metadata such as keywords or a few emojis to help recognition. Make sure each sticker has consistent padding and visual balance so they look good in conversations. Finally, import the pack into WhatsApp by using the Sticker Maker's Add to WhatsApp function or by installing your exported pack file. Once imported, open a chat and send every sticker to confirm alignment, transparency, and visual quality. If a sticker looks cropped or shows a background, reconvert that image to WebP and reapply a tighter mask. If files exceed size limits, compress slightly while preserving quality. That single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.